In match problem 3, going back to the Surfboard company again that we introduced in module 13.1, and assuming that this is their profit function, we want to find and interpret the profit function differentiated at y, evaluated at 25 and 10, and at 25 and 15. So the first thing that we need to find is p sub y, or the derivative of our profit function with respect to y. So again, we could quickly go through here and just cross out any terms that don't have a y component, because those are just constants, so the derivative is just going to be 0. Meaning all we need to differentiate is 200y, which would be 200, plus 2xy, which would be 2x, and then minus 12y squared will be minus 24y. So this is our profit function, differentiated with respect to y, and now we can evaluate that function evaluated at x equals 10, y equals 10, which would give us a value of 10. And we could evaluate that function at x equals 25, y equals 15, to get a value of negative 110. So to provide an interpretation for each of these, what we could say for the first one is that at a production level, of 25 standard boards, because again we're keeping the context from those previous problems, x related to standard boards, y related to competition boards. So at a production level of 25 standard boards and 10 competition boards, if we increase the production of the competition boards, because we differentiated with respect to y, so we're assuming that our y variable is the thing that's going to change, increasing production of the competition boards by 1 unit will increase our profit by $10. Similarly, we have our derivative evaluated at 25 and 15. So this would mean at a production level of 25 standard boards and 15 competition boards, increasing production of just the competition boards would decrease profit by $110. So take note, in each of these cases, we talked about increasing the production of competition boards, because in each case we were evaluating the derivative with respect to y. If we're looking at the derivative with respect to y, it means x is constant, so it's not changing, but y is variable, so we're going to increase that and see what effect that has on profit. To figure out the effect that changing our standard board production would have, we'd have to look at the profit function differentiated with respect to x. Then we could evaluate at these same values and understand how is our profit going to be affected by changing the production level of the standard boards.